Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. We are back out on the water. We're up north here. It's a beautiful day so far, so I figured we have to get out on a day like this. So again, it's early in the season, so I think I'm just gonna do some riding around and basically just have a nice day on the water. So hope you come along with me. Hope you enjoy this video, and let's get started, okay? Well guys, we're back at the Moon River Falls. I told you I'd bring it back here in the spring, but it doesn't look like it's really running much. Rocks right there. Shallow. The water is really down this year, like 2 feet down. So things that you could avoid are now like right at the surface. So let's see how this goes. We shall see. There's a, I think it's shot. We're at 3 feet deep right now, and it looks like there's a cut here. It's like shallows off there, shallows off there. As long as you stay kind of right here, I mean, I feel like I'm deep enough. And I got my hand on the reverse trigger just because I got to stop suddenly. I just hope I don't drop the camera in the water. That would suck. So like you can see, like it's down 2 feet. Like this was all underwater when I was here last time. So kind of interesting. So something we gotta look out for when we're out this year. The water is down. Still beautiful. I wonder if I can park on that side if there's an eddy, and then see if I can get up on the falls again. Alright, we will check in a minute. Alright guys, we've made it onto land. This year, we're on the other side. So last year we landed over there, went up. So this year, we'll go this way and see what it looks like from this side. But man, that water is down. Huh. All right, we're gonna walk up there, and I'll catch you when we get there, unless something else happens. Unless something's happening. Like it looks like if the water was up and it was like a big spring, it would be coming right this way, you know? Like I would be in the water. It probably was pretty high, but we haven't had much rain we had hardly any snow this year. I know, crazy, no snow in Canada, what the heck. Nice little campsite right here. It's actually not bad at all. Stone fireplace. There you go, there's a view. Oh yeah, definitely running lighter. It's like even there, you couldn't walk across that. Huh. Yeah, it's down. It's crazy how like there's multiple colors. Alright, I'm gonna try and get up there, maybe even over there. We'll see. Alright. Let's walk this way without falling or dying. That's good to be back out exploring again. I think we go up here. Well, the beaver lodge out there. Well, upon further review, this side isn't as accessible as that other side, so just give you a view from up here. Beautiful though. And so the upper falls are right down there. Way down there is the Sea-Doo. Alright guys, well, I think we've done pretty good getting up here. I'm going to throw the drone up because you know I will. And get you a couple shots at the falls, and then we'll keep on going with the day. So I'm going to make my way back down there. Probably the next clip you're going to see is some epic drone shot. Insert music here. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that nice little bit of drone footage. It looked pretty sweet to me in the monitor, so it looked pretty good to me in the monitor. Like, how beautiful. And like, no one's around. One little perk of this. So. Right now, we're just drifting in the current away from the falls. But like, first things first, I saw this little waterfall. I have never checked it out, so let's see if we can get close to it, okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video of us checking out the falls over at Moon River. These little falls right here, you know, and we're back at it. So hopefully we'll get some more videos going soon for you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and until the next video, be safe out on the water. Peace! Guys, I don't know if you can see it. There's tons of turtles out sunbathing right there. I'm turning now. And here's the falls. I know I ended the video already, but I just saw that and I was like, well, that's cool. So, okay. Guys, I don't know. I was sitting here just filming. I don't know if you can see it. Look at these snakes right there. Even more right there. Yikes! I was like right next to them. One of them is really big. Whoa, 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 boys. Whoa. Hi, guys. There's 3 of them right there. Holy moly, look at the size of that one. That one's big. I'm not a fan of this. Okay. All right, boys. I don't even know what kind of snakes you are, so I shouldn't get too close. It's like being in Australia. Crikey. All right.